Hey guys, this is Anthony from E Talley Construction, where we make construction easy. I'm off today, but I'm so excited. Tomorrow we're starting a new project. The project is not a real hard project, but it's a real sentimental project. I'm doing a room conversion for my father-in-law. My father-in-law is 95. His dexterity is not what it used to be, and he really needs a space downstairs so he doesn't have to go upstairs and sleep anymore. So throughout this project, we just want to kind of show you the progression of the project and show you what's going to happen, and we're really anxious. It's real significant for me because my father-in-law has had a real instrumental part of my life, my personal and professional life. Watching him do what he does, he showed me the game, he showed me how to be a business person, he showed me construction. There's nothing I can't do. I do plumbing, I do HVAC, I do carpentry, finished carpentry. We do it all, and as a result of that, I just want to be able to take the baton from him, because actually my father-in-law built this room over 30 years ago by himself with a little bit of help from his children, and I just want to kind of polish it up for him and ship it off to him so he has a nice, comfortable space for him to be able to relax. So we're signing off now. Today we're just looking for a couple likes. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, we'd love to hear what you have to say, and we're anxious to show you the progression of this project. Anthony Talley, E Talley Construction, where we make construction easy, signing off.
We're converting an existing room that wasn't being used for anything into a bedroom for my father-in-law. Again, so he doesn't have to go upstairs. Basically, here's the room. My father-in-law actually built this room by himself with a little bit of help from his kids 30 years ago. So that's another significant point. One of the things that we're going to try to do is kind of keep some of the elements that he created, which is these beams here that you can see here. But we're going to try to modernize it and make it look good and comfortable, and still maintain some of the character that is in the room that he created himself. Came here, we thought we were going to have to frame the whole ceiling up. If you can look up here now, the way he framed the ceiling before is totally insulated. We don't have to do anything. We can just drill the lines, put the lights in it, the recessed lights in it. It's golden. We'll make sure that we insulate the walls well, and it'll help speed things up for him, because this is what we need. This is actually what we needed for him. We needed a break for him to get him in this room. Right now he's sleeping on the couch, and I don't like that. All right, so we'll keep you posted. We'll show you what happens at the end. About 10 days, 15 days, we'll be finished. All right, take care. There's a couple things we need to highlight and show you as the process goes on. We took this door out. It was a sliding door. There's a remnants of the sliding door right there. And the bottom sill was totally rotten. So there's no way to jam in another piece of 2x4 material. So what we do oftentimes when we're in this situation is that we put concrete down at the bottom. We use a fast set concrete so that it can set and we can still put the building back together as quickly as we opened it up.
I'm going to take you inside and take a look and show you what we got. First of all, he had a sliding glass door out here at the beginning. We took this and revamped it. As you can see from the before pictures here, we put a regular door out here, put a nice light, gave him some power up here, so when he pops out here on the porch, he can do whatever he had to do, have some lights and whatever else. And now we'll just kind of go inside and show you what it looks like on the inside. Real quick on the inside, basically the footprints are the same. We just basically kind of cleaned it up, put some spit shine on it, and make it look nice. Okay? Take a look at the beams. The beams are existing. We kind of made the beams look really nice by putting some polyurethane on them. My wife picked the colors here. Really good color selection. Nice and modern. You see the bright lights here in the ceiling. So there's never going to be an issue with seeing or having light to be able to do what you have to do and function. This room here now has a mini split here. You see the Samsung mini split here. Excuse my finger in the way. This is a nice unit here. And the room will be nice and cooled and heated as it should be. So we're just kind of showing you the wide angle view of it, and then we'll go from there. All right? So, Anthony from E Talley Construction, where we make construction easy, signing off.